Hello and welcome to my channel Wonders of Price Action. Now let us see the wonders of price action. This is the daily chart of USDCHF. USDCHF had this low. After this low, this went up to this high. After this high, this pair came downward and made and here a resistance. After this resistance formation came downward and broke this low. After breaking this low, it went above to retest this level. This is not a daily time frame level. This because daily time frame level was upward, but it is coming down from 4-hour level. Let us see this unfold. This is the 4-hour resistance. After rejecting this from 4-hour, now it is going downward. And let us see it on the daily time frame, how downward it is expected to go and what are the downward levels. Let us see and make this. Let us see the next support for this pair is, let me put the horizontal line. This is the next support. Now it is expected that this is coming down to this support. This LB is not for this LB. Oh, sorry. Let me clear the brush. Okay. This LB is for this. This was the low broken. This was the low. This was the low broken. Now this is the support, daily support. I am expecting this pair coming downward to rather this support. At least I am expecting this to come down. Please like this video, subscribe my channel, like my other videos also, share my video, and thanks for watching. Bye for now. I'll be coming in the next video with another analysis.